Hi everyone, welcome to Spanish Hut. Hope you all are fine. Today in this video, I'm going to show you 30 different types of fruits and also nuts with their pictures and the pronunciation. I'm going to proceed with fruit directly because I'm just addicted to fruit. I love it. So first we have to know what we call fruit in Spanish. We call it as la fruta. Next, apple, la manzana. Orange, la naranja. Grapes, la uva. Strawberry, la fresa. Pineapple, la pina. Lime, la lima. Lemon, el limon. Mango, el mango. Blueberry, el arandano. Avocado, el aguacate. Berry, la bea. Pomegranate, el granada. Blackberry, la mora. Watermelon, la sandia. Papaya, la papaya. Coconut, el coco. Kiwi, el kiwi. Cherry, la cereza. Banana, el plátano. Tomato, el tomate. Plum, la ciruela. Pear, la pera. Nut, la nuez. Date, el dátil. Cranberry, el arándano. Cantaloupe, el melón. Avocado, el aguacate. Apricot, el albaricoque. Almond, la almendra. So this is all about fruits and nuts. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite fruit from this video. And don't forget to subscribe Spanish Hut. You can also join with me on my Instagram account. See you guys in next video for another Spanish lesson. Thank you.